When it comes to smart home automation, Somfy is a well-known brand offering motorized blinds, smart alarms, and home security solutions. But how well do they actually work? I tested the system to find out. First, I navigated to the Somfy website, which has a clean layout highlighting their main products. The interface is straightforward, but finding specific information on compatibility and integrations required some extra clicks. The product pages provide details, but they focus more on selling rather than answering deeper technical questions. I started with Somfy's motorized blinds. The customization options are impressive, allowing for different fabric choices, control methods, and automation settings. They integrate with voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant, but setting them up requires using a separate bridge, which adds to the cost. The site doesn't immediately clarify this, which can be frustrating if you're expecting a plug-and-play experience. Moving on to security solutions, Somfy offers smart alarms and cameras. The smart alarm system includes door and motion sensors, and it claims to have an easy DIY installation. However, reading user reviews reveals that while installation is simple, the app's responsiveness can sometimes lag. During testing, I found that remote access was generally reliable, but notifications had a slight delay. This might not be a deal breaker, but for security, real-time alerts are crucial. The smart cameras are decent, offering night vision and motion detection, but they don't stand out compared to competitors in the same price range. Cloud storage is available, but it requires a subscription, which is another cost to consider. If you're looking for local storage options, Somfy's solutions are limited. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Giftmeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Another aspect I checked was integration with other smart home systems. Somfy works with major platforms like Google Home, Amazon Alexa, and Apple HomeKit, but not all products are compatible with every ecosystem. If you already have an existing smart home setup, you need to double-check which Somfy devices will actually work with your system. Pricing is on the higher end, especially when you factor in the cost of accessories and required hubs for automation. While the hardware feels premium and durable, the overall value depends on your needs. If you want a fully automated home with minimal effort, the added cost might be worth it. However, if you prefer budget-friendly alternatives, there are other brands with similar features at lower prices. Customer support is another mixed bag. Some users report fast and helpful responses, while others mention delays and limited troubleshooting guidance. The website has a help center, but detailed technical support could be improved. So, is Somfy worth it? If you want reliable, premium smart home automation with strong build quality, it's a solid choice. But if you're on a budget or looking for seamless compatibility without extra hubs, you might want to explore other options. Let me know in the comments if you've used Somfy products and what your experience has been like. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more smart home reviews.